Welcome back JPD Studio. In this video, we dive into React routing in Next. We cover what is the routing in Next, static and dynamic, static generator, server-side generator, and many more. The end of this video, you will clearly know routing, static, dynamic, SSG, SSR in simple and clear way. So grab your code in editing and let's build in together. Today today context is these things where routings, next routing, static dynamic, static generator, get static props when we use the real-time project. I will explain, go through what is routing in the Next.js, file-based routing, page equal to file inside the page and directory, automatic file creation, support statics and dynamic routes. Here page will index means first own page, localhost dot 3000 is there na, and slash this page will be open, this one. But if localhost 3000 slash about page will be open, and you can write localhost 3000 slash blog page will be open. Now you can understand easily. I will go through next. Static page in the Next.js. These are routing create from the static files. Loading at building time, great for SEO and speeding. Here you can see the similar to the React.js. You can write function about parenthesis, curly braces, started, ended, return function. These you can write the functions and export the default. Here you can easily understand these points. Now we go for next. Dynamic page in Next.js. Using parentheses, you can create captures and dynamic values, helping blogs, user profiles, and like that. Page.blog.id. Here I gave one example, real-time example. In this real-time example, I will explain like creating two person. Like first is me, my name is JP, and second person is Ram. Both creating Facebook profile, but we can write in a URL in any browser. In the browser we can write www.facebook.com/jp. My profile will be open, but /ram profile will be open. This is a dynamic paging. In this way you can easily identify this thing. Here same way you can dynamic paging will be doing these things. This is an example of this. Now I going next. Data fetching overview. Like three ways to fetching the data. First is get stat props, static generators, get server side props, server side rendering, get static path, dynamic static path will be given. Okay now we go for get static props. Use for static generator, run at built-in time, idea for containing that does not change for offers. Like here you see the export asynchronous function get static props, curly braces started, const await function fetching the data, return props data, and this close. Here is static web pages will be created. If you see the in Facebook, www for facebook.com, I fetching, suppose in my system I fetching the here Facebook page will be same. Other suppose RAM will be created, RAM fetching the same facebook.com. Same Facebook is also displaying a RAM profile. This is static version. That's why it's static version. Okay. Get static path use with dynamic routes, generating paths from dynamic static routes at the built-in stage. Export synchronous get static path ID number 1, path ID number 2, fallback false, and refresh this thing. You can see in the Facebook, I will already previously both facebook.com Jayaprakash. I have my JP, my profile will be dot ram profile will be display. Same this way. Static is there, no? Get server siding. Get server side props. Use from server side rendering. It's run only every request. Idea for dynamic data is used dashboard and weather. Exports asynchronous get server side props, console data wait fetching returns props and data. Here you can see the in a dynamic dashboard is there. For attendance in the company, you see the attendance and money rating. Salary given by the other person. If HR's department, HR department get a salary high, CEO is get more salary. Like that, he divide into this. If fetching the dynamics systems, you can easily understand. Now we go for SSG versus SSR comparison table. Here feature is there, run at built-in time, request time. Here speed very fast, slow. SEO excellence. Dynamic content not showing dynamic content. Here showing dynamic contents. You can SSG means static get static props. SSR means get server side props. Here request time at you can showing these things, otherwise he cannot show these things. Okay, any doubt? Now when to use what? Get props, get static props when content does not change off, SEO is important, fast loading, time required. Here use get server side props when data change frequency, using specified data needed, authentication requires. That time we use these things. Here you can easily understand what is the need. First you calling something, what is the need? If anybody calling you means there is need, that's why they calling you. Okay, real world project example like home statics get server props, blog details static with the dynamic paths, get static props and get static path, dashboard SSR is there for blog projects. Summarize way. Now you can understand summarize. I will summarize. Next.js provides powerful routing and data fetching. Choose between SSG and SSR based on your use cases. Understand? Performance optimized by correct strategy. You cannot do these things. I am using this simply way. This is not a, it's a real Next.js. Single side, it is a framework already. I explained previously. It is a framework. It's not simply doing. It's a file-based routing. It's easily going and seeing these things is not this way. You understand these things. Now, do you have any doubt? Comment in chat box. Thank you.